one, I wanted to show you this. I have my carnitas that are still frying in its own fat, and I do have the bone in there, and I'll be making this chile verde with the bone while the bone is in there, and there's still some, and you want to do that because the bone has certain flavors that will bring the chile verde to a nice beautiful flavor. And I have my tomatillos, tomatoes, and you can add your garlic, you can add some other herbs if you'd like. I have a couple ingredients in there, and I'm just allowing it to soften so that I can blend it. This is the fat that I rendered from all those chicharones and those cracklings. And I'll tell you, I'll be using this for maybe some tortillas. I think that's going to make the tortillas even more special. And these are the cracklings that I ended up keeping. So you can refrigerate those and then reheat them and use them for later. I don't know who I'm going to give them to, but I sure can't eat them, but they look so good. And while I was trying to lift up my lid, this is what happened. This is my mother's. This was my mom's. I'm so upset, but this is hand embroidered, and I made a mistake in trying to lift it up, and I think we have some talent in the family that can fix it. I'm hoping that it'll get fixed. I'll pass it down, and it's a beautiful mantel. I'm gonna miss it, but it did scorch, and I'm feeling really bad about that. Lesson learned: do not leave your towels near the fire. I had no idea that it would reach up there, and it was hanging over, and there you have it. So another kitchen safety rule: never leave any towels on the stove like I just did. So don't beat yourself up if it happens. But I just wanted to share that with you. So yeah. Anyways, the chile verde, you can add like other herbs. You can add your oregano, you can add cumin. I like adding some salsa to my chile verde, and I like adding some other peppers to it, and not just leave it just with the tomatillo and the onions and the garlic. I like adding other elements. If I use some canned chile verde sauce, then I doctor it up, of course, and I add other ingredients that I think are really important to make the chile verde really special. So after, I'm going to leave the fat in this. I just used a little bit of fat from the previous, the chitlins, ouch. And then, and I basically just allowed it to fry in its own fat. And you just basically cook the pork while seasoning it, adding salt and pepper, and you cook it until, now it's a carnita. You want to make it into a carnita, and then you add the sauce to soften it up, and you allow it to simmer for a while. So, and if you want to add some bay leaves to that, that's wonderful. It gives it, but I probably will do that. Let's see, but you want all that fond on the bottom, and you want to basically make sure that they are carnitas. And then you make your chile verde. You could probably go to a restaurant or somewhere where they put the meat in the oven and it's a shredded carnitas, but that's not really what a carnita is. Carnitas is you cut it up into small pieces, the pork shoulder, the pork with the most fat, and then you fry it. And then you add just a little bit of that rendered fat from your pork fat that you get from your butcher, and then you fry it up. And yum! You have a delicious carnita. So, and then you can turn it into a chile verde. I just wanted to share that. I hope everybody's having a good day, and alrighty, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.